नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टिकाच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां येवकार. आज आमी एका अशा विशयाचेर चर्चा करपाक हांगा आयिल्ले आसात, तो म्हणजे पोलिसांनी लोकांचेर केल्ले अत्याचार. आमी फाटल्या सप्तकाक एक पळयलें की म्हापशा सॅम्युएल ब्रागांझा नांवाच्या एका 21 वर्साच्या भुरग्याक पुलीस आपले कस्टडीक घेतात. ताका थंय मेंटली टॉर्चर जाता, ताज्या फाटल्यान तो आत्महत्या करता. ताज्या पयलीं अशीच एक केस मडगांवां जाल्ली की एका तरणाट्याक एडबक पेरेरा म्हणटा ताका असोच धरून हाडिल्लो आनी ते भितर कस्टडीक आसतना ताका एसॉल्ट करून ताजे तकलेक मार लागिल्लो आनी तो अजुनूय हांतरुणाचेर आसा. आनी ह्या परिस्थितीक आनी एक केस सद्याक फुडें आयिल्ली आसा, ती म्हणजे मायना कुर्टोरीम पुलिसांनी एक 5 भुरग्यांक, तातूंतलो एकलो तर मायनर भुरगो, ताका ताब्यात घेतलो, अरेस्ट करूंक ना, ताब्यात घेतलो आनी रातभर दवरून तांकां मारले. आनी सद्याक ह्या प्रकरणाची दखल आमचे ह्युमन रायट्स कमिशन ऑफ गोवा हांणीय घेतिल्ली आसा. सो ह्या विशयाक जर कोणें जर वाचा फोडली आसत तर ती एडवोकेट बाय लिओना बारेटो याने. ताका लागून तांकांच आमी हांगा चर्चेक आपयल्यात. जाल्यार येवकार तुका. आनी म्हाका एक सांग, कितें एक्झॅक्टली ही जी केस आहा, मायना कुर्टोरीम केस, कितें जाल्लें?
What happened is, sir, actually there's a small fight that these 5 boys, including that one minor, had with another group in Tikatpale ground.
When?
This was on the 6th, Saturday evening.
Okay.
Before the illegal detention. So this small fight happened. One group happened to call the police. Happened to call Maina Curtorim police. Police came to the place with their jeep. They took these 5 boys.
Okay.
To the police station. That was around 10 p.m. at night.
That clash was between two groups.
Yes, and it
but
was
only one group has been taken at the
yes,
police station.
and in fact there was no need also to take them to the police station because it was a very small minor fight. Buriya fight for some small reason. Okay, it was a small bike thing that happened, and because of which these two groups had a small fight.
Okay.
So for that reason, this one group was taken to the police station, Maina Curtorim police station. Now, after going to the police station there, they were told that a complaint, if any is filed, we'll file a counter complaint on your end. Plus, we'll do a medical as per how the FIR procedure goes. After reaching the police station, these boys were asked to remove their clothes. Their phones were taken. Suddenly, these 4 police officers, they come to the police station. They are on alcohol, on complete alcohol at 10 o'clock.
4 or 3?
One was already there in the police station. 4 more come.
Okay.
To the police station.
Now, all four were in the intoxicated.
Yes, all were intoxicated. All 5 whoever were named, in fact, all were intoxicated. And after reaching there, they say that you all are filing a complaint, you all are fighting. And for that reason, they started assaulting these boys.
Yeah.
Assaulting the boys. What I was told that there's a big leather belt inside the police station, which they used to assault the boys. Even pictures are there where you have seen that the boys have their hands are cut. Now these are young boys between the age of 20 to 16 in that ratio. 20, 21, 16. Now those boys were hit brutally by the leather belt.
Okay.
The marks are still there. Saturday the incident happened. Today we're on the 12th, 6 days later. The marks are still there. The body is still swollen. They were made to do heinous sexual activities inside the premises of the police station.
Okay.
They were stripped naked, their phones were taken, and they were physically, sexually, and even mentally assaulted.
Okay.
To such a bad state that even today, when they talk about it, they're traumatized about it. We have had an earlier incident, as you said, about Edberg, Margao. We have had Samuel Braganza's case going on in Mapsa, where that boy suicided because of the torture that's happened in the police station. Earlier, there were cases of Tamil Nadu, where 2 father and son duo were illegally detained, hit and assaulted inside the police station, because of which they died. Now it is these boys today who have come out and spoken about the assault that has happened.
Yeah, हांवें आतां तुजे कडेन उलोवचे पयलीं हांव पळयतालो की कितल्यो केसीस जाल्या काय म्हणून. So right from तुका एखादी याद आसत ना आसत, अदरवायज आय थिंक तेन्ना तूं जाल्ले काय नाय तो हे आसा. तर इट इज इन हे आमचे इट इज late 80s, maybe 88, 90s. It may be early 90s. हांगा आमच्या मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशनाक एक व्हडलो केस एक जाली कस्टोडियल डेथ इट वॉज
Okay.
अब्दुल गफार खान म्हणटा तो ताका हे जाल्लो आनी इन दॅट ती केस सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडेन पावून लास्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज कन्विक्टेड दोज 2 ऑफिसर्स आनी तांकां 10 years आराय हे जाल्ले देन आफ्टर दॅट वन दत्तू देसाय वॉज कस्टोडियल डेथ हॅपन्ड इन आमचे कोंकळे पुलीस स्टेशन देन कितलेशे केसीस जाले इवन आमच्या जेलीक आसतना ज्युडिशियल कस्टडीक आसतना
Correct.
अक्षय कौशल म्हणटा एकलो NRI तो ही वॉज
Murder.
किल्ड ऑर ही डायड मे बी बट इट इज सस्पिशियस सो हे जर सगळे जर पळयले जाल्यार तुका कित्याक लागून हे अशें जाता अशें दिसता काय म्हण वाय एक आतां एक अश्यो केसीस जाल्यो ताका लागून एक केन्ना अशें केसीस जाता तेन्ना पुलीस भितात किंवा हे करतात हे अशें परत परत जावपाचें कारण कितें काय म्हण
So the law and order in our state is failing, is
Yeah.
what I can say. One case, we learn from that. But
Yeah.
if we repeat it happening over a short time now,
Yeah, there
Edinburgh
are
just
4
happened.
cases झाल्यो.
Yes, Edinburgh.
Yesterday, I think one lady advocate from Panjim,
Mhm.
she has lodged a complaint that police officers in Panjim office of, I think her brother was arrested in some case and he was assaulted by a police officer. So that means same तुजी हांगा एक केस चालू हे चालू आसतना थंय थंय आनीक हे जाल्ले आसा
Correct.
अशें सो कितें वाय इट इज
So, as I said, our law and order is failing. There's nobody to keep a check on the police. The police personnel thinks that the uniform is given to them and they can take law in their own hands and they can take
Okay.
action, which is
Yeah.
entirely wrong.
Yeah.
Again, the term for them is public servants. We are the public today.
Yeah.
We come to the police station for our grievance. Or maybe because we are caught as accused. But accused also today have their own laws.
Yeah.
There is a way. They have to be produced to the magistrate and all of that. So I don't think our laws are checked. Our higher authorities have to keep a check on the police station as what is happening. I think a weekly or a monthly check is not done. Because after this case also, sir, as you rightly said, people are contacting me saying that this happened to us. Yesterday, in fact, I got a case that is happening.
Yeah.
There's a lot. So there's no check.
What type of atrocities have been done to them?
Illegal detention.
Okay. I think he case he आता case आता तो it's I think I believe it's a illegal detention only.
Yes, it is illegal detention also.
Because
yes.
तू म्हणटा जर तशें आसल्यार if it is 16 to 20 age group आसा तांकां रातचे कित्याक व्हरता आशिल्लें
सारकें सर आणि one
Yeah,
minor on
yeah.
top of that.
then why their parents were not called there?
So
Yeah.
the parents first of all did not know. They were picked up from the ground. Their phones were taken. They couldn't even call anybody.
Okay.
This is how they have worked
So
around.
basically even कोणाक अरेस्ट करतलो जाल्यार बसून पुलिसांनी घरा कडेन ताजे कोण जो कोण लागींचो आसा ताका कळोवपाक जाय that he has been arrested.
100%,
Yeah.
sir. They have to. A person has to be called. But in
Yeah.
this case, sir, there is first of all no grounds for arrest.
Okay,
and
and
detention.
I think this is arrest or this is just a detention?
This is detention, and let me call it illegal detention.
Yeah.
Because so there is no complaint also filed against the boys. Why did you keep them in the police station? Why did you keep them inside the restroom of the police? For what reason? When there is no complaint also filed against them. For some reason.
So ते
the
अशें
person has
भायर
to be
आमचे
arrested.
बाकाचे बसून बी तशें दवरले नाशिल्ले
ना,
in
sir.
inside some room they were kept.
Every police station has a room
Yeah.
for police people to
Yeah.
rest
Yeah.
during their off hours or have lunch maybe. In that room, the entire incident has happened,
Okay.
which does not even have a CCTV camera.
Okay.
Yes.
सो एक हातूंतल्यान म्हाका एक हे दिसता की सद्याक 3 जाणांक सस्पेंड केला पयलीं एकाक सस्पेंड केला
Yes.
एकल्याक सस्पेंड केला मागीर तुवें जेन्ना केस हे केले ताजेर बोवाळ केलो हे केलो देन ह्युमन रायट्स कमिशनान तातूंत भितर लक्ष
Yes.
घालून दे हॅव टेकन इट सो मोठो दे हॅव टेकन द कॉग्निझन्स ऑफ दीस केस ताजे फाटल्यान आनीक 2 जाणांक हे केले सस्पेंड केले एक म्हाका एक सांग तुजो डिमांड आशिल्लो की altogether 5 police personals are involved in this assault and all 5 to be suspended. So कितें बाकीचे 2 जाण it's they are just means because he is a PSI or he is a duty officer फकत technically जबाबदार आसा म्हणून तूं ताका सस्पेंड कर म्हणले or they are also involved in this assault.
So I'm told by my client that one, yes, out of the 2 PSIs who are pending right now, one is a duty officer.
Yeah.
But during the incident and inside the restroom where the physical, sexual assault has happened, the officer was present. The PSIs, both of them also were present. They also have assaulted the victims, including the minor. So yes, I asked for their suspension as well, and also an FIR to be registered against them, because this is a criminal act in the uniform. They're criminals in that uniform today.
Yeah. Under what section you wanted to lodge the complaint? Means FIR, if it's to be registered, under what section?
So assault has happened.
Yeah.
Okay, assault to a minor has happened. Illegal detention has happened. There is sexual assault that has happened, sir. So there are a lot of sections that can be applied. So FIR has to be registered in this matter against all the 5.
Okay. So एक तुम्ही आता बोवाळ करतकीर कॉग्निझन्स घेऊन 3 जाणांक सस्पेंड केल्यात, तो म्हणटा अजुनूय 2 जाण सस्पेंड जावंक नात. तो म्हणटा केस जाता. सो तुवें कोणाक एप्रोच कोणाक केला आफ्टर दीस ही जातकीर? Your demand is that FIR to be registered. So whom you have approached in this
We
case?
have filed a complaint in the police station and in the SP's office.
Okay.
So
it has
they
been
have to, yes,
registered
register. No, sir, not yet registered. But they have to register. If not, then we'll go to the higher authority.
Yeah, but
have
you contacted the PI, Kapil Naik, in this, who is the in charge of that police station, whether he has taken the cognizance of this your complaint?
So a complaint is filed already. So me calling is again a reminder. I have hope and I have faith that they will register.
Okay.
Even a complaint is given to SP, and I have full faith that the SP will register. This is a time period that we're waiting for, maybe the next few days to see how. If not, sir, we'll have to approach the higher authorities to get the complaint registered as an FIR.
So basically, एक ह्या हातूंत भितर केस ही जाली. हाजे पयलीं तुवें आयकलें आसतलें, सम 2024 इट इज.
Yes.
अशीच एक सादी केस जाल्ली. सम ट्रक अशें एक ट्रकाक एकाकूक दुसरी गाडी आपटली आनी सम मायनर एक्सिडेंट हॅज हॅपन्ड इन कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशन jurisdiction. And that person, means one PSI, has chased that person. He was assaulted. Then his wife came there. She was begging before that PSI to सोड म्हण आपल्या घोवाक. सो तिका त्या PSIन तुज्या घोवाक करपा जाल्यार आपले बूट चाट हे हाजे वचून त्या लेवलाचेर ही केस हे जाली. सो तुका कित्याक लागून दिसता काय म्हण ही एक म्हणटा ते आमी सदांच हे आतां ही जात ते PSI रँकाचे हे ऑफिसर्स ही केस जाली ती. सो PSI इज नॉट इलिटरेट ऑर समथींग अशें कांय ना. ही मस्ट बी एटलीस्ट अ ग्रॅज्युएट.
Yes.
PSI that he is given a training how to deal with criminals, how to deal with citizens, civilians, all that हे दिल्ले आसा. प्लस तांकां कायद्याचें तांकां शिक्षण आसता, ज्ञान आसता. शिक्षण आसना जाल्यार ज्ञान आसता, तांकां खबर आसता. तरी आसतना अश्यो केसी जातात कित्याक काय म्हण? What you say?
So if the PSI is behaving like this today, if he is doing something that way, either he has somebody who has a hand on top of him, who is allowing him to behave in certain way, or either he is not fit to be a PSI. Again, maybe our ways of how we are hiring the police, that has to be looked into. Not one case, but if there are multiple cases today,
hiring means
the way they are employed.
Employed.
Right, not be employed. The way they are employed today will have to be checked. On what basis are they being employed? This all starts actually with corruption. Also, if they don't know the basics how to be as a PSI, or maybe they have to be sent back to training if they don't have to. It can be either of the 3 reasons.
Or should be dismissed from the
definitely, sir. Even suspension, it is temporary until inquiry. Yes, sir. So for that reason, it's better to have a registered FIR, so it comes as an example for others tomorrow.
No, to example म्हणटा, in that Edberg case, FIR has been registered.
Yes.
Inquiry start झाली. He has been suspended. आता I think they have already filed the charge sheet. एक केस एक एक्झाम्पल सेट जाल्ले आसतना कितें जावपाक शकता म्हणटा ते. आता दुसरी केस जाता, and that too with the minors. सो आमचे सगळे पुलिसिंगच कितें चुकला काय म्हणून कितें दिसता ऑर इट इज लुक्स लायक एकदा हांगाचेर खाकी आयले सो आपल्याक आनी हात लावपी कोण ना.
करेक्ट सर.
इट इज जस्ट लायक अ जंगल राज चालू आसा ना.
Jungle Raj, Gunda Raj.
Yeah.
This is how it looks like. Because that khaki is given you, you're a police, you're supposed to work for the people and to see.
Yeah.
But they are only acting like they are gundas.
Yeah, they have to protect the civilians.
I got a case where these police have entered the house, entered the bedroom of somebody's, where ladies were there present, without any warrant, without any complaint being filed. Who gives them such authority? Either they have some upper hand over them, who's allowing them to do such things, or either they think that the law is
I wanted to ask you, in this present case of Maina Curtorim thing, anybody was pressurizing those police to assault these boys or anything, that sort of any information you got?
No, I have no information on that sort. I have no information if somebody is pressuring them or so. All I have an understanding that they were drunk on duty.
Okay.
In that drunk state, they are physically assaulted, sexually assaulted. That might be a possibility, but till now I have no.
Sexual assaulted means only stripping the clothes. You mean to say it's a sexual assault, or anything else has been happened?
So stripping of the clothes was only the first start of it. Yesterday the boys have given a statement where they have said exactly what has happened, how their private parts were caught and how they were treated in a very bad way. सांगपा पासून बरें दिसना सर, but it's very brutal.
So तुका ही केस आता आमचे ह्युमन रायट्सान ती घेतल्याच हे, सो तुका दिसता अशी जर फुडें हे अशी गजाली घडपाक जायना जाल्यार कितें जावपाक जाय दिसता तुका?
I am very happy and I thankful to the Human Rights Commission of taking this matter so moto. I also pray that SPCA, our State Police Complaints Authority, is in Panjim. Our High Court of Bombay at Panjim, Bombay bench at Panjim, they take up this matter so moto, where something can be done about this matter. I don't want
SPCA has a power to take this type of cases as a suo moto case.
Yes, to conduct inquiry.
Okay.
Conduct inquiry in this matter.
But are you going to approach these forums?
Yes, I will be approaching these forums. These forums are the right forums where this matter can be taken up. I do not want them to be suspended and this matter goes down again. I don't want. Until it goes in a proper way, this matter has to be carried forward.
Okay, म्हाका एक कथा सांगता, this is हे कितें जालें न्ही, हे तुगे ऑथॉरिटीज आनी फोरम्स आसातच. बेसिकली इट लुक्स लायक इवन आमचे सोशल फॅब्रिकच आता कितें हाल्ला काय दिसता पळोवपाक. मीन्स इवन फॅब्रिक हाल्ला काय दिसता. सगळे आसा ते पयल्या पुलीस म्हणल्यार आमचेच न्ही, ते सादे आमचेच तातूंतले सोसायटींतल्यान आयिल्ले. सो एक सगळे सोसायटींतलेच एक कितें तरी हे आला, कितें हाल्ला आमचे जे आमचे मोरल हे आसता, आमचे मोरल इथोज असतात किंवा हे हाल्ल्या अशें काय दिसता पळोवपाक, जर अशें जात जाल्यार. सो हाचे खातीर सोसायटीन कितें करपाक जाय दिसता तुका?
Yes, that is a very nice thing actually what you have said. Our society, sir, first, we also are somewhere wrong because we don't know our laws. We think that the police people, whatever they do today is correct. But they are no one to even verbally assault, verbally say something to you. Gaadi dipa shakna. They can't touch you of any sort. Hath sudha laupa zaina. But we think that the police, whatever they are doing is today, keeping us in the police station for hours and hours or so is wrong. So we first of all as civilians have to understand our law, have to know that know our law, know as to what is right, what roles and responsibilities the police people have. Their role is only limited to register the FIR and to conduct inquiry and investigation. They are not the authority to decide and to take actions.
Yes.
Nobody can do that. That's the court and the higher authorities who have to do that. So first our people, we have to understand that. When we know that something is wrong that's happening, then we can stop and take action. These
Leona, this what you call that assault and thing all happened on 6th night.
Yes.
And it means लोकांमुखार पावपाक आनी आवाज जावपाक 2 days went in between. So why it was so late? कित्याक लागून जालें काय म्हणा? These boys were in that traumatized हातूंत आशिल्ले, कितें आशिल्ले, and how they came to you?
Yes. So these boys, they did not understand until they were traumatized. They were taken home on Sunday by around 7 to 9 o'clock in that period. The next day,
morning.
yes, morning. So they first of all took time to understand as to first. So to tell you that they are such simple boys, sir. The only thing is to earn, to live in their house. They're very simple. They don't have any knowledge of anything. Whatever police says, they thought it is right.
किती करतात ते?
One is a student, one is working in a restaurant in the kitchen, one is working in a garage. They're very poor family boys.
Okay.
All of them. They only want to earn and to spend, and their friends, family. Very simple boys. Now they do not understand what is happening. Secondly, one of their family friend has taken them for medical on his own. The police have still not taken them for medical. So after that, then they started opening up. This is what happened. This is what happened. Naturally, that's when they told the elders. That's when the elders understood that some kind of assault has happened. And whenever they meet me now, so they tell me that they
how they approach you.
I am from Maina Curtorim itself. That's how they have approached me.
Okay, you are from the same locality.
Same locality.
Okay.
Yes, so that's how they have.
So आता त्यांचे condition किती आहे? Are they okay now? Are they recovering? What is their main is what is their mental state now at present?
Physically, to tell you first, their hands and everything is swollen. Wherever they have got hurt is still swollen. Mentally, to say, sir, I don't think they will come out of this for the next 6 to 1 year also. 6 months to 1 year, or maybe more.
Okay.
They tell me that when they eat also they think of that. Last, sir, after the assault, everything had happened. The police people, they went to eat biryani. These people have not even had dinner. These police people are having biryani in front of them, and they were throwing bones on them. Hey, this eat. When they asked for water in the police station, they gave them water, and they were giving, the police slapped them on their face. So that all incidents have played a lot on their head. They are unable to concentrate on their work.
Okay.
And they are young boys, sir.
So
yes.
Don't you feel this is a case for some compensation and all that? That sort of remedy, are you going to go?
No. So compensation is not the answer for anything.
Criminal action is one part. Second, because of the atrocities done on them. So they should also get the compensation because of this mental torture or so that sort of are you asking for?
No. Again, I will not ask for that. If the boys want some kind of medical help, they might get medical remedies in the hospital, our district hospital. That's all. But so compensation of any kind would also mean that tomorrow the police are allowed to act again.
I'm not saying that. I am not saying that.
I understand what you're saying.
Criminal action, whatever is to be happened, should happen. Means if they are guilty, they should be convicted or they should be tried or whatever. Because of this mental, so don't you feel it's a fit case to ask this one compensation?
That is for them to decide. But I feel again, even if they ask for compensation, how much money they'll get and what guarantee we have that's going to come out from the mental state? No amount of money is going to take you out of that torture that's already happened.
Okay.
The damage that's already happened.
Okay.
So as per my advice, I wouldn't want them.
So आता मी आमचे उलोवपाक भासा ती कन्क्लूड करता आसतना तुका कितें सांगता what up to what extent आमचे जे पुलिसांनी तांकां हें केलां मारलां आनी किंवा कितें तांकां शिक्षा जावपाक जाय दिसता तुका?
Polisank shiksha.
पुलिसाक
The police should take an example of not doing this any kind of assault. Not only in Maina Curtorim, but anywhere, all over Goa, all over India. They should get an example even before touching, even before abusing a person, think 10 times. Because someone or another tomorrow is going to stand up and they're not going to listen to the atrocity done. Secondly, you all are police people, you all are police officials who have to work in their government capacity. Yes, this is what I would want. And for the people, I would appeal that when something happens, to come out and to speak.
Okay.
Because these boys have spoken today, this incident has come forward and people are aware.
Basically, म्हाका दिसता आता सगळ्या आमच्या लोकांनी आपलो एक ग्रुप तयार करपाक जाय, एज अ प्रेशर ग्रुप. जर अशें कितें जालें, then they should come on this आमच्या in Edberg case, how Pratima has taken that case and up to logical means not up to the हे जालें पण up to the आमचे चार्जशीट फायल जाता इतले बसून जी केस व्हरतात तशें पण म्हाका दिसता आता आमचे असली जर जाता जाल्यार एक सोसायटी भितर एक प्रेशर ग्रुप
येस
तयार जावपाक जाय अशें दिसता पळोवपाक. आनी जर तशें जाल्यार जाल्यारच म्हाका दिसता हांचेर आमच्या पुलिसांचेर जे आमी पुलिसाक रक्षक म्हणटात ते जर अशे भक्षक जावपाक लागले जाल्यार तांकां जाग्यार हाडपा खातीर एक ग्रूप जावपाक जाय, ग्रूप तयार जावपाक जाय आनी तो सामको असो कितें म्हणटा फायब्रंट टायप असो ग्रूप आसपाक जाय जो निमाणे कडेन हो ग्रूप येवन म्हणजे तुवें तो गब्बर इज बॅक तो पिक्चर पळयला आसतलो.
Yes.
सो तशें म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी जावपाक जाय जाल्यारच म्हाका दिसता हे आमचे सिच्युएशन
Will be.
जाग्यार येतलें अशें दिसता म्हाका. लिओना तूं आयलें हांगा ह्या मेन सामक्या म्हत्वाच्या विशयाचेर तुका कोर्टाक केस आसतना बसून तूं टायम काडून हांगा आयल्या ताका लागून तुका देव बरें करूं.
Thank you.
आनी
Thank you for
आमचे
taking it
सगळे
up.
पळोवपी आहा तांकां देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही.